Hi, you guys. We are going to play a game. Would you rather? And this will be the retirement edition. And also, what I'm going to start doing is putting a heart, a different color heart in the video. And you guys are going to have to tell me what color the heart is at the end of the video. But in the meantime, let's get into this game. It sounds like it's going to be fun. I'm going to give you my answers. And remember, this is for us retirees. Okay, would you rather spend every morning on the porch with coffee or every evening watching the sunset? I'm going to say every evening watching the sunset. Number 2, would you rather go on a luxury cruise or take a long scenic road trip? I'm going to say I would rather go on a luxury cruise. Now, you guys give me your answers in the comment what you would rather do. Would you rather downsize to a cozy cottage or live in a retirement community with lots of friends? I would rather downsize to a cozy cottage. I've already decided I don't want to live in a retirement community because a lot of times those people are not your friends. Number 4, would you rather learn a new hobby or teach one you already love? I think I'd rather learn a new hobby. I love learning new things. Number 5, would you rather have unlimited time with grandkids or unlimited energy for yourself? I would rather have unlimited time with my grandkids. Dream big. We're going to number 6. Would you rather travel to a new country every year or revisit your favorite place every season? I think I would rather travel to a new country every year rather than revisiting the same place every season. Number 7, would you rather write a book about your life or start a podcast about your wisdom? I think, I don't know. Sometimes I think about doing a podcast, but I don't know. That could be both. I could want to write a book and want to do a podcast. So I'll go with both of those. Would you rather win a lifetime supply of your favorite food or free tickets to concerts or shows forever? I think I'd rather want a free ticket to concerts or shows forever. The favorite food, by the time it's over, it may not be my favorite food anymore, right? Okay, number 9. Would you rather live by the beach or in the mountains? Oh, that's a good one. Because the beach, you could get those waves. You know what? I'm going to go with the beach because I have slept near a beach before, and it was the most calming, peaceful sleep I have ever gotten. The mountains might be a little different. I don't know what the sound you might hear up in the mountains. I'll go with the beach. Okay, number 10. Would you rather master painting or playing a musical instrument? I think I would rather play a musical instrument because it would just be fun to play music rather than painting, I think. That's my take on that one. Okay, now you guys can answer any of these would you rathers that you want and give me your answer. I'm just giving you guys my answers on this. And then when we do a live, we may do a another version of this on our live. We may do would you rather. I think these are kind of funny. But I'm just doing this one for the heck of it. So number 11, would you rather try skydiving once or go zip lining multiple times? Number 11, I'm going to leave it right there. I don't want to ever go skydiving, and I definitely don't want to zip line multiple times. That is just not my thing. I don't like stuff like that. Number 12, would you rather join a dance class or a comedy improv group? I would much rather join a dance class and learn some dance moves, because my dance moves are really old and crickety. And comedy, I can come up with comedy anyway, but dancing, that would be good. It would be good for me, and I would go with the dancing. Okay, number 13, would you rather be the star of the retirement talent show or the secret judge? I would rather be the secret judge. That would be fun, to have a show and I get to be the judge. I would like that. Number 14, would you rather have a pet llama or a pet parrot that talks like you? I want to have a pet parrot that talks like me. Get sick of my own parrot talking. And number 15, would you rather never have to cook again or never have to clean again? I would rather never have to clean again. How about that? All right, so what do you guys think of that? Will that be a fun game to do for one of our live shows, to have those questions and we get to answer those? That would be fun. We're going to do that for sure. But that was just a fun game that we could do. And you can do those games. You can make up questions. If you guys want to make up some questions for what would you rather, make those questions up and send them to me. And when we go live, I'll ask those questions. That would be good, right? Okay, so this is what you guys are going to do for this video. You're going to either answer some of the would you rathers that I just answered, or you're going to come up with some, actually I'll probably put that on a post, but you guys can do it here and I'll see what I get. Give me some questions on would you rather do this or would you rather do that, and you can ask those personally to me, and I'll save them and use them for our next live video. But in the meantime, that was a fun game. That's a game that you can play anytime, anywhere, with anyone. I tried to get questions that were more relatable to us, that we're retired now. And yeah, so I think that was a fun game. We just had us a fun little game on YouTube, and I think that was a good start for just starting to have a little fun with the channel and do some good, fun, clean things, you know. So these are definitely some good questions that we can think about. And would you rather have this or that? So now, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I really did. It gives you something to think about. It makes you think. It really does. Because some of those questions, you don't really have a real answer for it. Some things you just don't want to answer, or some things you just would prefer not to do. So you guys, I am going to end this video now. I hope you guys enjoyed that little game we just played. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. And let me know what color the heart is for today, okay? Not this pink one, but the other one that you hopefully saw in this video. Let me know what color the heart is for today. All right, love you guys. Bye.